Sometimes you'll want to install an application from the Microsoft Store and it'll require you to sign in, and you may not want to do that. In these cases, you can install using the winget command. I'll show you how to do that. So in the upper left, we have the Microsoft Store. In this case, we'll install the Twitter app. So we search for Twitter. We go to the Twitter app, and there's a little icon here to share. We copy that link, and I'll just show you in this browser window down here. We'll paste that in. That takes us to the Microsoft Store app for Twitter. The key thing that we want though is the just after detail, there's a little string of numbers and letters, and that's the ID for the app. So on the left, or sorry, on the right, we've got that here. We're going to do a winget search in the Microsoft Store. So we run that in command prompt. We can confirm the name of the app is Twitter with that ID. Now we're going to install using that string as the ID in command prompt. And do you agree to the terms? Yes. Starting package install. We can see in the store now it's starting to install. It's getting ready. Preparing to download. Installing. And now we can see the app is ready to open. And that's how you can install an application and determine the ID to install that application using the winget command.